This is Ken from JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you want to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36 reference 116000. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, and the movement. And then I'm going to try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. Now they make this watch with a domed bezel, or also known as a smooth bezel, and what that means is that there's no ridges on it like the more expensive models which use a white gold version. Okay, and it's also 36 millimeters. That means from my thumb to my index fingers. They also make this in 39, 31, 28 or 34 as well. So they make it in various sizes, 36 being the second largest. So a man could wear this, a woman could also wear this if she likes larger watches. Okay, now the movement, okay, is housed in this oyster case, oyster steel monoblock middle case with a screw down case back and winding crown, and uses a caliber 3130. It has a precision of plus minus 2 seconds a day, and it has a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring oscillator with a bidirectional self-winding via perpetual motor, and it has a power reserve of approximately 48 hours. All that means is basically it's a really good movement and you should buy it. Now moving on to the dial. Now the dial is what Rolex calls white grape. Now you looking at it here in the video, and you know I guess it could be looked at as maybe like a beige or you know, like a grape color. You know, I think it's a very unique color. It's kind of I have never actually seen this color, and as far as I remember, I don't believe Rolex has actually ever made a dial color like this one. You know, it actually looks different colors in different lights, so it's kind of hard to tell. But they call it white grape, so we're going to stick with that. I guess you could call it yellow or orange or brown or mix of all that, beige. I'm not really sure, but anyways, Rolex calls it white grape, so that's what we're going to call it. They also make various other colors. You can see them on jazztime.com, and if you like any of them, you can also obviously just press the buy now button and buy it. Now let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet is actually using a oyster bracelet. It's actually a all brushed one versus Datejust, which are half brushed, half polished. All that means is that it has this satin finish and it's not high polished. It's much more understated, and it looks less flashy, less shiny as well too. Now it uses a oyster clasp, and now I'm going to show you how that closes. It simply just closes like such, and voila, that's the watch. I think it literally looks great, and if you do think it looks great too, you could go on over to our website where we sell these watches and we make these reviews for the purposes of selling them. So hopefully you'll go, after watching this review, get really psyched about this watch, come over, press the buy now button, and you could have this watch in your arm in just one day.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos, and if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.